If you're in construction, there's a moment when regular accounting software isn't good enough. You've got projects in multiple cities, union and non-union crews, different project types, change orders flying around, and maybe even unit-based contracts where you're billing by the mile. If that sounds familiar, you've probably been Googling construction accounting software, advanced financial construction software, or even systems with unit-based pricing, and you're trying to figure out what you need next. In this video, we'll help you out by covering 3 things. Number 1, when you've outgrown your current system. Number 2, what to look for in financial construction software. And number 3, why the partner you pick matters more than the brand name on the platform. Today's video is brought to you by Net@Work, a technology consultancy that helps construction firms choose and implement the right ERP and accounting stack, including solutions like Acumatica, Sage Intacct, and others. They're the pros, so make sure you connect with them if you're in the market for a solution. With that said, let's dive in. Part 1. Signs you've outgrown basic tools. Most contractors don't wake up one day and say, we need enterprise resource planning. You get forced into it by complexity. Here are some of the common triggers. You're expanding into new geographies. Maybe you're a $30 million residential builder in LA moving into other cities or states. Overnight, your operational complexity spikes, different tax rules, union agreements, compliance, and reporting requirements. You're taking on new project types. Moving from residential into commercial, or from GC work to self-perform work, changes how you manage labor, materials, and margin. You're living in spreadsheet chaos. Work in progress reports, job cost forecasts, and billing schedules live in different spreadsheets owned by different people. Nothing ties cleanly to the general ledger, and nobody fully trusts the numbers. You're juggling complex billing models. Fixed price plus unit-based pricing where you might bill per linear foot, cubic yard, or installed unit. If your system can't handle unit price contracts cleanly, you're relying on manual calculations. If any of those sound familiar, you're already in the zone where purpose-built construction accounting software and a modern ERP platform make a real difference. Part 2, what to look for in advanced financial construction software. Let's talk through a short checklist you can use whether you're evaluating Acumatica, Sage Intacct Construction, or any other advanced financial construction software. First, true construction accounting, not just generic general ledger. You want deep job cost accounting, cost codes, committed cost tracking, change order control, and automated work in progress. The system should understand things like retainage, progress billing, and more, not as bolt-ons. Second, multi-entity and multi-project control. Growing contractors have multiple entities, JVs, and business units. Look for multi-entity consolidation, dimensional reporting, and the ability to slice data by division, region, project manager, or project type. Third, systems that handle unit-based pricing cleanly. If you regularly work with unit price contracts, for example, billing per cubic meter excavated, per linear meter of pipe, per fixture installed, the system needs to treat units and rates as first-class citizens, not just memo fields. Fourth, an open integrated platform. Most construction firms already use specialized tools, from field reporting apps and time capture to estimating, project management, equipment tracking, and more. Modern construction ERPs give you an open architecture so you can integrate those systems and keep a single source of truth. Fifth, real-time visibility for the people who own the numbers. Your CFO, controller, and project managers should have dashboards that surface forecasted margin, cost to complete, and cash exposure without waiting on a month-end report. That brings us to the last piece, who you trust to design this stack. Part 3, why the partner matters more than the logo on the software. A lot of contractors aren't experienced or tech savvy enough to evaluate software options on their own. What they can benefit from is a partner who understands construction workflows from field to office, not just accounting theory, can translate how we actually run projects into ERP architecture, guides them through selection instead of just pushing a single product, and stays with them after go live for optimization, integrations, and roadmap. That's where Net@Work comes in. Net@Work is not just a construction software consultancy. They act like a virtual CIO for firms that don't have one, especially when operational complexity is ramping up. They help you map your business model to the right technology stack and vendor mix. They also stay with you over time. Post-implementation, you'll get support and a digital roadmap so your ERP doesn't become the next legacy system you're desperate to replace. So if you're in that phase where your existing tech stack is clearly not viable long-term, you're expanding into new regions or project types, you need advanced financial construction software that can handle job cost complexity and unit-based pricing, and you'd rather not roll the dice on this decision alone, This is exactly the moment to bring in a partner like Net at Work. Next steps and resources. If your current tools are creaking under the weight of more projects, geographies, and complexity, it's time to graduate to real construction accounting software. Modern platforms give you advanced financial control, clear job cost visibility, and clean support for things like unit-based pricing and automated work in progress, without living in spreadsheets. And if you'd like a partner to help you design, implement, and evolve that stack as your business changes, that's where Net at Work comes in. They act as your virtual CIO, helping you evaluate options and make sure that everything works together long term. Check them out and connect for a call through the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig from Select Hub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.